Okay, with this video, we're going to add the kitchen to the floor plan. Okay, so I'm going to start in this corner here. There's a pantry unit, okay, casework, which measures to be 27 inches by 24 inches deep. Okay, so I'm going to add that just as lines. Okay, I've made the A-floor case layer here my current layer. Okay, so I'm just going to go to lines here, lines. And 27 inches in width. Okay. And 24 inches in depth, which is the depth of most countertops. Okay. My base cabinets. Good. So next to that, I need to add the refrigerator. Oh, and by the way, I added this this little knee wall here, okay, and I made it 6 inches. I made this window jamb here, from here to here, that is, I made it 6 inches. And of course, it's 3'6" in length. Okay, so I need to add the refrigerator, so I need to go to the content browser. Okay, design tool, catalog imperial, okay, equipment, food service. Okay, go to the refrigerator models. Okay, I'm going to choose the side by side here. Insert it into the drawing here. Good. And I'm going to go back to the content browser. Okay, and let's go back one. Out of this, go back one level. Okay, go back to equipment. See, was there anything else in food service that I need? Nope. Yes, I need the range, so let's look at the ranges. Okay, I'm going to use a 30 by just a regular range, 30 by 26 here. I'm going to insert that right into the drawing. Might as well just do it. I'll just put it there. Good. Okay, let's go back to content browser. Okay, let's go back one level. Okay, go to equipment. Let's go to residential. And I might as well bring in my washer. See which one did I want to use. See which one did it tell me to use. Washer. Yep, 30 by 26 washer and 30 by 26 dryer. So I'm going to use 30. I want to bring this one right into the drawing. Okay. Okay, and I'm just going to put it right there for right now. Okay. And okay. What did I bring in before? The washer list. Or was it? I think it was the dryer. So let's always change it. Yep. So now I got the washer and dryer. Okay. Do I need anything else from the content browser? Okay. Let's go back and bring in that water heater. Let's do that. Need that as well. Content browser. So equipment, residential. Okay. Yep. Water heater. Bring that one in. Okay. And then where I'm going to put it, might as well put it right here for right now. Cool. So I think everything else, I have everything that I need from the content browser. Okay, good. Because we're gonna draw the furnace in the mechanical room as lines, right? So I know I need to move this over to the mechanical room. So now let's go back to the kitchen, right? So now let's see what layers it's on. It's on A floor appliance. The refrigerator is on A floor appliance. Let's see what layer this is on. A floor appliance. Yeah. A floor appliance. Okay. Okay, so here's what we're going to do then. We're going to use that same layer, okay? A floor appliance. Where is it? It's right here. Oops. Here's what I wanted to do, actually. A floor appliance. Yep. I've already changed it, okay? It came in a different color, but I changed it to yellow, okay? So that's what you're going to do. You're going to take an A floor appliance layer and you're going to change the color to yellow. Okay? And if your appliances don't change when you change the color of the layer, all you got to do is a regen, R-E, at the command line and enter that, and that will regenerate the drawing and it will change the color of those appliances to yellow. All right, so now that I have them here, okay, I'm going to take my refrigerator, I'm going to rotate it. This position, then I'm going to move it. Where's my move command? There it is. Move it from there. All right, and then I'm going to change my current layer to the A floor casework layer right there, right? And I'm gonna draw in my countertop. Just as lines. Countertop 24 inches in depth. Okay. Just close it. Good. All right. So now I'm going to take my range and I'm going to rotate it as well. Good. And now I want to give myself a little reference line at the midpoint of this right here, because I want my range to be in the center. I'm just going to get it like that so it'll be easier for me to erase it. Okay, and then I'm going to, I need to rotate this range again. Sorry. Okay, it needs to be in this position, okay, where this is toward the back, which is the raised portion of the range. Pardon me. And now I want to just move it. Okay, I'm going to move it from here. Here, good. All right, so then I want to just delete this line. I don't need it anymore. Okay, and then I need to break this line here at the front because the range interrupts the countertop. So I'm going to use my break tool. This is the object I want to break. Choose the first point option. Okay, I want to break it from here to there. Good. You know that worked, so I'm going to save my drawing. Okay. So I have the range in, all right? Now I want to show the wall cabinets. And with a residential floor plan, since it's only a two-dimensional drawing, you can't see the third dimension. So typically overhead items like the wall cabinet or items under the cabinet is going to be drawn with hidden lines. But actually, A floor plan is a horizontal cut through a structure at about 4 feet above the floor. So typically anything above that cutting plane, 4 feet, is shown with hidden lines, and anything below that cutting plane is also shown with hidden lines. All right, so I have some wall cabinets here, and I need to change my layer. Change my layer to a floor overhead. And I want to check something real quick. Okay, a floor overhead, good. And my line type is hidden too, so that's going to give me a hidden line that I need. Okay, and I'm just going to, I'm just going to draw a line here. Okay, typically wall cabinets are 12 inches in depth, so from the wall, I'm going to type in 12 inches. Okay. And I'm going to take it all the way over because I'm going to have a wall cabinets above my range too. Even though I'm going to have a hood there, I'm going to have wall cabinets above it. So I'm taking it all, and then I'm going to have wall cabinets above my refrigerator, and I'm going to end at the pantry unit because it's a tall unit. Okay. Good. Let's see what color is that hidden line? It's the cyan. Good. That'll work. Okay. All right. So let's close out of that. So now I've indicated my pantry, refrigerator, my range, and my wall cabinets. Okay, so let's work on the island. Okay, let's work on the island, and I want to go back to here. Okay. So we see that the island is 2'8" from, and it aligns with the inside face of that wall there, 2'8", and then it's 4 feet by 10 feet. Okay. Okay. So let's go back. Let's go back to here. Good. So I'm going to change my layer back to a floor case. A floor case, where is it? Right there. Good. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to give myself I'm going to do a polyline. I'm just going to do it this way. Okay. Okay. It aligns with here. Okay, and it's, I don't need to do a polyline. 2'8", just a line. Okay, 2'8". Okay, good. So now I could actually use the rectangle tool, but I'm not, because this is, what did I say it was? It's 4 feet. Okay, this is a line. I'm just gonna make it lines. Okay, it's 10 feet. Okay, about 4 feet. Close that. Okay, get rid of this line I don't need any longer. All right, so let's see how I'm going to place my sink. Okay, my sink is, the center of the sink is 2'6" from this edge here. Okay, I believe that's 2'6", so let me check that out again. No, it's 3'6", 3'6". Okay. Okay, so that's 3'6". So I'm just going to offset this line here. Oops. Let's do offset, please. Thank you. Okay, so that's going to be the center of my sink. And where's my sink? I need to go back to the content browser and plumbing fixtures. Okay. All right, so let's go back to content browser. Or let's go here, let's see. Enter that. Right click again. Let's go to input. Let's go there, just right there. Okay. Let's go to syncs. Okay, I want to double sync. What was it telling me to use anyway? Double sync A. That's what it tells me to use. Double sync. This one. Okay. All right. So all I'm going to do now is rotate it. Finally, okay, and then I just want to move it. Okay, I want to move it from there. Okay, I'm going to move it right to that line that I just made for myself right here. Good. And I can erase this line here that I don't need any longer. And I'm just going to save my drawing again. Okay, good. All right, so I know that we can get the dishwasher from the content browser, but we don't show it that way on a residential floor plan because it is under the counter. And again, under that 4-foot cutting plane, we're going to show this hidden lines. Okay, so I'm just going to go back and still use. Okay, I'm going to choose here, and then I'm going to choose this. It's going to make. Okay, so now it made my floor overhead my current layer. Okay, so then I'm just going to come in. I'm just going to come in here about an inch. I'm going to inch this way, just to give a distinction between the dishwasher and the sink. Come up an inch. Okay, good. And then dishwashers are 24 inches, typically, by 24 inches. Okay. Yep, so my LT scale looks pretty good, so I can leave it like that. Okay, so I might as well go ahead now and move my washer and dryer over to the laundry room. Okay, the washer goes first, so all I gotta do is move it. Here. Okay, repeat move. Move the dryer there. Okay. All right. Save my drawing. Okay. So with that, we've added all of the equipment and the plumbing fixtures.